So, as I started the Capsule Wardrobe series last week, where we discussed about how to declutter our existing wardrobe in the first place before buying new stuff. So, with the continuation of that series, this week I'll explain about color analysis for our wardrobe, which can stay for a long time. Tell me honestly, if it is relatable to you, you bought clothes that looks great on the store, but once you brought them to the home, they didn't match with anything what you already own. If that sounds familiar, today's video is completely changed the way you think about your wardrobe. So, welcome to the episode 2 of Closet Curation series called Color Analysis for Your Wardrobe. Today I'll show you a simple way to create a wardrobe color palette that helps you to get dressed faster, create more outfit combination, reduce impulse buy, and build a wardrobe that stays relevant for years instead of one season. So, before we begin, just a quick introduction if you are new to my channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Style Equation. In this channel, we simplify fashion using logic, balance, and real-life practicality. Our focus is to create well-balanced look through thoughtful styling instead of blindly following trends. So, with the next step, instead of telling you what colors you should wear, I want to share how I personally think about colors while building my capsule wardrobe. I follow a simple 80-20 rule. Around 80% of my closets consist of neutral colors and the 20% consist of statement or colorful pieces. And why I choose like this? Because neutrals are incredibly versatile, they mix and match easily, which means you can create more outfits with fewer clothes. Some of the common neutral colors include black, navy blue, beige, camel, off-white, cream, grey, brown, and white. Once you have identified your neutrals, ask yourself a simple question. What colors do I naturally love wearing the most? For example, if your answer is blue, don't stop there. Think about which shades of blue you actually wear and enjoy. Is it navy blue, sky blue, powder blue, denim blue? Then think about the events where you are going to wear those shades. Do they fit your lifestyle, workwear need, casual outfit, or any special occasions? Once you know the answer, start filling those color gaps intentionally in both top and bottoms. The same process applies to all other neutral colors as well. In fact, before you buy anything, take a close to your current wardrobe and notice which neutral shades you love to wear a lot and which one you are missing out. And remember, this step is important one. When I did my own wardrobe decluttering, I realized I had very few grey, beige colors and off-white pieces. So instead of just randomly shopping, now I made a simple list of those colors. Then whenever I go for shopping, whether online or offline, I only search for those specific colors. And trust me, it made shopping so much easier and save a lot of time, money and energy. I stopped buying duplicate pieces and started filling genuine gaps in my wardrobe. That's exactly what a color palette does. It gives you clarity. Now let's talk about 20% pieces, which are the colorful one which I like the most. Personally, I enjoy colors like red, hot pink, green, burgundy, and occasionally yellow or orange. But I usually keep them in smaller quantity compared to my neutrals. I always make sure whatever neutrals I have that should contrast to these colors and always look balanced to most of the pieces in my existing wardrobe. Now here is one important tip which I wanted to share. When building your wardrobe color palette, make sure colors can create contrast with each other, especially when pairing tops and bottoms. Think about how it can create your own personality when you wear them with any of your existing clothes which looks modern, elegant and balanced. In reality, which I feel, contrast make outfit more intentional and visually interesting. So some of my favorite combinations are beige with brown, grey with hot pink, grey with blush pink or peach color, cream with burgundy, light blue with white, and light blue with chocolate brown. These combinations always feel balanced, elegant, and easy to wear. Also, I have linked my personal wardrobe color palette in the description box below. Feel free to check them out after watching this video. They are not a strict rule that you have to follow. Think of them as a starting point which can help you to build your color palette. As your style evolves, you can add more colors to your wardrobe which can make you feel happy, comfortable and confident. And when I'm packing for vacation, I like to play little more with colors. For example, yellow with cream, blue with cream, pink with white. These combinations instantly make outfit feel fresh, fun and photo-friendly without needing lot more clothes in your wardrobe. The beauty of having a color palette in your wardrobe is it can create multiple outfit combinations from the same pieces instead of constantly buying a new one. Now here is another styling trick called monochrome color combination, which I feel must be keep in our wardrobe. Sometimes I wear neutral colors from head to toe. For example, beige, cream, white, grey, and last one is my favorite one, denim to denim color combination. Just try from your end and tell me your experience in the comment section. Now here is a hack. In this monochrome styling, I used to add a pop-up colors through my accessories like my handbag, shoes, scarf or even jewelry. These create balance and add personality without overwhelming the whole outfit. The goal is not to follow strict fashion rule. The goal is to choose colors intentionally instead of making purchase based on what looked attractive in the store on that day. When you shop with intention, you save money, reduce impulse purchases, and build a wardrobe where almost everything starts working with each other. So now as we are wrapping up the video, let's quickly recap what we discussed today. First, identify your core neutral colors. Second, choose few accent colors that we genuinely love to wear. Third, analyze the shades that works best for your lifestyle. Fourth, fill color gaps intentionally instead of shopping randomly. And finally, create color combination that allow you to mix and match effortlessly. Remember, a great capsule wardrobe is not built by owning more clothes. It's built by owning the right clothes in the right place. So, thank you so much for watching until now. Starting from next week, I'll go deeper on the design of the outfit which can best fit to your wardrobe. If you are enjoying this series and getting some values from it, give a like and subscribe to my channel and share your experience in the comment section. So, see you in the next one. Until then, bye-bye.